Hi there, my name is Hannah and I'm going to talk to you today about our Measuring with Length Units kit, as well as our Exploring Measurable Attributes kit. These two kits together are really great in elementary school for establishing how to measure, understanding length units, and then getting to practice it and implement it while sorting and classifying objects by different quantitative measures. So let's talk a little bit first about assembly. There isn't much to it, but with the Measuring with Length Units kit, you do want to make it easier for the students by preparing some objects in advance. Grab a permanent marker, and on the ruler pieces, take the side of the marker and label each one of the spots just like that. That way the students can very clearly see where they are measuring between each distance. And then, on the individual units, find the flat side, and then again, using the side of the marker, run it all the way down, just like this, so that the students are seeing that they are measuring along that edge. With these, you can then do full unit measurements, and then by second and third grade, even get into half and quarter units. To practice measuring with these, start your students by helping them understand that length is a distance, but that is where these guys come in, because they can literally line them up and see and count how many of these they are. So this helps prepare students for understanding and then transitioning to using a traditional ruler. Now, the Measuring with Length Units kit pairs really well with our Exploring Measurable Attributes kit, because this kit gives you lots of different things to practice measuring with. And all of these caterpillars, sea stars, and ladders are all built to whole imperial units. So you can have your students go in and actually practice measuring, for instance, the length of the arm of each of the sea stars. And they can do it with the individual units or with the transitionary ruler. And we've actually included the line on the back here for the sea stars so that they can easily tell where they're measuring. And then with this, we also provide on the back of all of them a letter indicator so that it's easy for worksheets, so that the students can identify and label which caterpillar is longer or which ruler is the shortest. And so this is a good chance for your students to practice using comparison terms such as longer, shorter. But more than just measuring length with these different objects that we have here, the Exploring Measurable Attributes kit gets students to start understanding and identifying independent variables. So if you look at these different caterpillars, you can also compare them using the number of legs. So this caterpillar has a total of 10 legs. And this caterpillar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 legs. And they can actually sort them by number of legs, and then it'll look different. So your students are practicing counting. They are understanding that you can sort things in different ways. Because of that, it presents a wonderful opportunity for your students to start being introduced to graphing. And you can do that using bar graphs and different things like that, where the students are sorting them and lining them up on a graph. And you can do that with any of the pieces of the Exploring Measurable Attributes kit. So whatever activities you're doing with these kits, whether you're measuring and identifying the different lengths of the rulers, caterpillars, or sea star arms, or if you are having the students actually sort and classify objects using different independent variables such as color, length, pattern, number of rungs, number of legs, and so forth, you're going to start really building a solid understanding of measurement and data and how to take it, how to analyze it, and what you can do with the data that you've collected.